Wow.
I'm Mitchell from Australia, and being from Australia, I get called the dumbest of the dumb flat earthers. This is because the Globers say that southern star rotation debunks the flat earth. But this argument is going to be your downfall, globe believers, because on your model, stars aren't actually rotating, are they? It's the earth rotating underneath the stars. And you asserting that you're on that rotating earth, looking up at the stars, making the stars appear to be rotating, not actually rotating, just like this demonstration of a drone leaving the rotating reference frame of a roundabout. From the rotating reference frame, it appears that the drone is deviating. But as we can see, the drone just goes up and hovers. It doesn't go anywhere. This is an apparent deviation. And this is what Globers will tell you is happening when you see stars rotating in the sky. But what this also demonstrates is what we observe from the inertial reference frame while looking at another thing in the inertial reference frame. This drone is in the inertial reference frame, and the camera looking at the drone and the roundabout is also in the inertial reference frame. So as you can see, when viewing something else in the inertial reference frame from the inertial reference frame, the drone is no longer appearing to move. So let's take another look at the stars, and this time we're going to leave the asserted rotating reference frame of the Earth and enter the inertial reference frame above the Earth. These stars are already in the inertial reference frame. So when we view from the drone entering the inertial reference frame, the stars should not move. Just like when we see the drone in the inertial reference frame, it does not move. But we still see the stars moving. Have you realized the implication of this, Globers? The stars are the things that are actually moving, not the Earth underneath it. If it were actually Earth rotation making the stars appear to rotate, then when we leave the spinning Earth, we wouldn't see this. The stars should stay still, but yet they keep spinning. But this also applies to all celestial bodies, because you ballers assert that the sun sets and rises, also due to Earth rotation. So let's view the sun from the inertial reference frame. The drone has left the rotating reference frame of the Earth, but yet the sun still appears to set. We go up again, and the sun sets again. This is not caused by Earth rotation, because the Earth is not actually rotating. It is the sun that is moving. And this observation absolutely demolishes Earth rotation. This is going to be a hard one for you ballers to digest, because these are your arguments of star rotations and sunsets debunking your own assertion of Earth spinning.
This globe will never spin again.
Wow.